Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking basically a question from the paper itself and then subsequently we'll try and solve the same. So that whenever we come across questions such as this further down the line in any examination, we're easily able to solve the same. Okay. So what we'll be doing in this particular video is that we have taken a question and now from the paper itself, the question is from triangles of geometry and then subsequently we'll try and solve this question so that whenever we come across a question such as this, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay. Now having said that, let us focus on the question at hand. So corners are cut from equilateral triangle to produce regular hexagon H. Then the ratio of the area of H to the rest of the triangle is okay. So initially what we have is an equilateral triangle. Say this is my equilateral triangle, okay, and this triangle is say T, okay. Now it is said that the corners are cut. Say I cut my corner from here to here, I cut my corner from here to here, and I cut my corner from here to here, okay, and I join these things, okay. Mind my drawing because I formed a hexagon, so its sides are equal. Okay, so my figure might just not be on par with the same, but sides are equal. So now let red one be hexagon. Now what I'll be doing is, let me join these two lines here to here. Let me join here to here, and let me say join here to here. Okay, so we know an hexagon is formed of 6 equilateral triangles. So we have 6 equilateral triangles being 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. All the 6 triangles are of equal area. Okay, now notice one thing. Okay, outside the triangle, say this one, this area and this area, even now notice this part. Okay, let me highlight. Notice this part, this entire thing. Since the yellow portion is an equilateral triangle, therefore we can actually say that this part is parallel. Okay, let me use a different color. This part is parallel to this, and this is a parallelogram has been formed, so this will be equal to this, so therefore this part is equal to this, therefore this part is equal to this, and similarly this part will be equal to this, so this part will be equal to this, so this triangle will also be an equilateral triangle, okay, with similar areas. So say this be 5, similar case will be for this only, or say this be 7, this be 8, and this be 9. So one equilateral triangle has been divided into 9 triangles, 6 of which lie inside the hexagon H and 3 lie outside of H. So therefore ratio of area of hexagon is to remaining area of triangle will be so it has 6 equilateral triangles is to 3 equilateral triangles, therefore 2 is to 1. Okay, so I hope this question is clear. So we have 2 is to 1, which will be our required answer. So it's a very unique kind of question. Had we assigned each side a length a, then every side will have been a by 3 and equilateral triangle would have been put forward anyways. Okay, so that way also we could have done, but by simply looking at the figure only, we can make sure that we arrive at the conclusion. So if you have any doubt with regards to this question, kindly go through the explanation in general. That should give you plenty of insights as far as the process involved is concerned. Okay, I don't think you should face any trouble. Now, if with all that being said, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, or if you have any doubt with regards to your exam preparation or subject and topic wise query, feel free to connect with us and we will be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, now having said that, if you like the video, make sure like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So that's it. I'm signing out. Thank you so much.